Hey everyone, today we are going to explore how to add and subtract decimals. Adding and subtracting decimals is similar to adding and subtracting whole numbers. The only difference is that we need to make sure that the decimal points are aligned. So let's start with this example. We have two numbers, 6.45 and 23.45. To add these two numbers, we need to align the decimal points and then add the numbers as we do with the whole numbers. So we start by adding the digits in the rightmost column, which is hundredths place. 5 plus 5 is 10, so we write 0 here below the line and carry over 1 to the previous column. Next, we add the digits in the second column from the right, which is tenths place. 4 plus 4 plus 1 is 9, and we write 9 to the left of the 0. Now the decimal point is placed to the left of the 9 because we have finished adding the digits to the right of the decimal point. Then we add digits in the third column from the right, which is ones place. 6 plus 3 is 9, so we write 9 to the left of the decimal. Finally, we add the digits in the fourth column from the right, which is tenths place. We have 2 in the second number and nothing in the first number. You can think of the first number as 0 if you want, and anything plus 0 is that number itself, so we write 2 to the left of the 9. Therefore, the sum of 6.45 and 23.45 is 29.90. Now let's see how adding and subtracting decimals are useful in real life. Let's say Justin goes to mall with $120. He spends $54.67 on buying a Christmas tree, $13.49 on stationeries, and $8.14 on lunch. So how much does he have left? To find out how much money he has left, we need to add these amounts he spent first. He spent $54.67 on Christmas tree, $13.49 on stationeries, and $8.14 on lunch. So let's add these amounts first. We add the digit in the rightmost column, which is hundredths place. 7 plus 9 plus 4 is 20, so we write 0 here below the line and carry over 2 to the previous column. Next, we add the digits in the second column from the right, which is tenths place. 6 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2 is 13. So we write 3 to the left of the 0 and carry over 1 to the previous column. Now the decimal point is placed to the left of the 3 because we have finished adding the digits to the right of the decimal point. Then we add the digits in the third column from the right, which is ones place. So 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 1 is 16, and we write 6 to the left of the 3 and carry over 1 to the previous column. Finally, we add digits in the fourth column from the right, which is tenths place. So 5 plus 1 plus 1 is 7, and so we write 7 to the left of the 6. After adding all these amounts, we get $76.30. Now this is the total amount he spent. So to find out how much money he has left, we need to subtract that total amount he spent on the total amount he had. So let's subtract 76.30 from 120. First, we subtract the digits in the rightmost column, which is the hundredths place. So 0 negative 0 is 0. Next, we subtract the digits in the second column from the right, which is tenths place. Now we cannot subtract 3 from 0 because 0 is smaller than 3. So what we do is we borrow 1 from the previous column. But the previous column is 0 again, so we look at the column before that, which is the ones place. At ones place, we have 2. So we borrow 1 from 2, and then 2 becomes 1. And the 0 next to 1 becomes 10. But we are not done yet. We need to borrow 1 again from 10 to 0. So borrow 1 from 10, and 10 becomes 9, and 0 becomes 10. Now we can subtract 3 from 10, which is 7. The decimal point is placed to the left of the 7 because we have finished subtracting the digits to the right of the decimal point. Then we subtract the digits in the third column from the right, which is ones place. Now 9 minus 6 is 3. Finally, we subtract the digits in the fourth column from the right, which is tens place. So 11 negative 7 is 4. Therefore, Justin has 43.70 left after shopping. I believe now you're clear on ins and outs of decimal arithmetic. Let's wrap it up. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and take care.